The shadow under the bed. Emma is a little girl. She lives in a small yellow house. Her room is small, but she likes it. She has a bed, a desk, and a big brown teddy bear. Every night, Emma says, "Good night, Teddy," and goes to sleep. But one night, Emma hears something. It is a sound under the bed, a soft sound, like whispering. Emma opens her eyes. The room is dark. Only the moon shines through the window. She sits up and says, "Mom, is that you?" But there is no answer, only the whisper again, closer. Emma looks under the bed. She sees a shadow. The shadow moves, but her teddy bear is in her arms. She says, "Who are you?" The shadow answers, "I am Teddy." Emma looks at the toy in her hands. It smiles, the same smile, too wide. She screams. The light turns on. Mom runs to her room. "What's wrong, Emma?" But the bed is empty. The toy is gone. Only the shadow stays on the wall, smiling. Thank you for listening to Simple English Listening Level A1. Today, you learned words like shadow, whisper, under, and smile. Practice them again, and don't forget to check under your bed tonight.